the history of color. Today we invited people to experiment with plants and ask for their gifts of color. So we did inks. We made inks out of mahonia bark, and we also created different lake pigments and saw the beautiful magic of the chemistry that happens when you isolate the pigment. Played with inks made out of different things like barks and roots and petals and seeds. So this is the Ruia tinctoria. We need to filter all that plant material that's in there. I was really hoping that people got a lot out of this experience from actually their hands-on, like scraping the bark and actually understanding the gifts that are in a plant, discovering the color, discovering the different avenues to access what plants have to give. I'm just gonna leave them like this so you can actually see what they are. I really hope that people got excited and also their sense of curiosity and that their idea of color in nature was expanded.